welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Insta music not working on stories. First of all, you will have to update Instagram. Go to the App Store or Play Store and then search for Instagram. Then see if there is an update button available. Sometimes login issues happen because you are using the outdated version of the app. Updating it ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes. Now sometimes it's just a temporary glitch. Go ahead and open your Instagram app and then tap on the three-line icon. Then scroll down and click on the logout option and then log out. And try logging back in. Try logging back in and then check the music features again. Now if that also still does not work, you'll have to rejoin an account type. Keep in mind, Instagram music is not available in every country and sometimes does not work on business accounts. Switch to a personal account may fix it. And that's it. Try these steps and you should be able to add music to your Instagram storage again. I hope this video helped you guys on how you can fix your Instagram music not working on storage. If it did, let me know in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up to help others too. And hey, if you like simple tech fixes like this, consider subscribing for more. Thank you guys so much for watching.